Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a teen or someone who's just stepping into the world of skincare and you're feeling lost, confused, or overwhelmed by all the products and routines you see online, don't worry, this video is exactly what you need. Today, I'm breaking down the ultimate beginner skincare guide for teens. We're going to talk about what your skin actually needs, what products are worth using, what to avoid, and how to build a simple routine that keeps your skin fresh, healthy, and glowing without spending a ton of money. So, grab a snack, relax, and let's dive into everything you need to know to start your skincare journey the right way. The teenage years are when your skin goes through its biggest transformation. Hormones start kicking in, oil glands become more active, and suddenly you find yourself dealing with oily skin, dryness, breakouts, blackheads, and sometimes even sensitive patches. And if you feel like your skin changes every week, yes, that's normal too. Understanding your skin now is super important because the habits you build during your teenage years will stay with you for life. What you do now can prevent long-term issues like acne scars, pigmentation, uneven skin tone, and texture problems. Skincare isn't only about looking good in pictures. It's about keeping your skin healthy, clean, and protected. Good skin habits now mean better skin in your 20s and 30s. Think of this as an investment in your future self. Most teens assume skincare has to be complicated because of all the trends on social media. But honestly, the best routine for beginners is incredibly simple. You don't need 10 products, you don't need expensive serums, you don't need to follow everything you see on TikTok. Start with these 3 essential steps: cleanser, moisturizer, sunscreen. That's your basic routine, just 3 steps. And believe it or not, this simple routine is enough to fix more than 70% of typical teen skin concerns. Why this works? Cleansing keeps your pores clean, moisturizing keeps your skin hydrated and balanced, sunscreen protects from sun damage, dark spots, and early aging. You can always add other steps later, but only if your skin needs it. Now let's talk about the first step. Cleansing. Washing your face is the foundation of all skincare routines, but the important thing is to choose a cleanser that matches your skin type. Here's how you know what to pick. Oily skin. Choose a gel or foaming cleanser. It removes excess oil and keeps pores clean. Look for salicylic acid for acne-prone skin. Dry skin. Choose a cream or hydrating cleanser. Avoid cleansers that make your face feel tight. Look for ingredients like glycerin and ceramides. Combination skin. A gentle gel cleanser works best. Avoid anything too drying or too moisturizing. Acne-prone skin. Salicylic acid cleansers help control breakouts. Don't scrub hard. Gentle is better. What not to do. Never use bar soap on your face. Don't scrub with harsh exfoliators. Don't wash your face more than 2 times a day. Overwashing actually makes your skin produce more oil, which means more acne. Wash your face morning, night, after heavy sweating. That's it. Now let's talk about moisturizers. A lot of teens think, my skin is oily, I don't need moisturizer. But that's one of the biggest skincare myths ever. When you skip moisturizer, your skin becomes dehydrated. And when your skin feels dry, it actually produces more oil, which leads to more breakouts. So yes, even oily skin needs moisturizer. Here's what to choose. Oily skin, lightweight gel-based moisturizer. Dry skin, thick cream-based moisturizer. Sensitive skin, fragrance-free, gentle formulas. Normal skin, any non-comedogenic moisturizer. And don't forget, look for the word non-comedogenic, meaning it won't clog your pores. Apply moisturizer, morning, night. Your skin will feel softer, more balanced, and less irritated. The most important step in your entire routine is sunscreen. If you don't wear sunscreen, everything else becomes useless. Sunscreen protects your skin from dark spots, acne scars, sunburn, redness, wrinkles, skin cancer later in life. You don't see the damage now, but your skin definitely feels it. Choose a sunscreen that feels good on your skin. Oily or acne-prone, gel or water-based SPF. Dry skin, hydrating or creamy SPF. Sensitive skin, mineral-based SPF. Choose at least SPF 30 or SPF 50 and apply it every single morning, even if you stay indoors. Don't forget, reapply every 2 hours when outdoors. Use 2 fingers worth of sunscreen for full coverage. This one step will keep your skin glowing and protect it for years. Now let's talk about the products that every teen gets curious about. Serums, toners, treatments, and actives like salicylic acid, niacinamide, and retinol. The truth is, as a beginner, you do not need any of these. But if you have specific concerns, like acne or dark spots, you can add one product at a time. Safe teen-friendly actives include, for acne, salicylic acid, 0.5 to 2%. Unclogs pores, reduces blackheads and whiteheads. Benzoyl peroxide, 2.5%. Kills acne-causing bacteria. Use only at night. For dark spots, niacinamide 2 to 5%. Brightens skin and reduces dark marks from old pimples. For very oily skin, niacinamide 4 to 5% to balance oil production. Rules for using actives. Start slow, every other day. Use one active at a time. Stop if your skin gets irritated. Never mix random actives you saw on TikTok. Your skin is still developing. Be gentle to it. Skincare mistakes can damage your skin more than products can help. Teens often make the same mistakes over and over, so let's fix that today. 1. Overwashing your face. Washing more than twice a day strips your skin and makes acne worse. 2. Using harsh scrubs. Scrubs create tiny cuts on your skin and worsen acne. Avoid walnut scrubs, apricot scrubs, or anything with rough granules. 3. Picking pimples. This causes bigger pimples, scars, dark spots, and spread of bacteria. Use pimple patches instead. They are safe and easy. 4. Using too many products. The more products you use, the more confused and irritated your skin becomes. Keep it simple. 5. Switching products too fast. Skin needs time to adjust. Give every product at least 4 to 6 weeks before deciding if it works. 6. Not cleaning your phone and pillowcase. Your phone touches your face all day long. Your pillowcase collects oil, dust, and bacteria. Clean both regularly to prevent breakouts. 7. Believing everything on social media. Not everything you see online is safe for your skin. DIY lemon masks? Toothpaste on pimples? No, just no. Be smart with your skincare choices. Your skin is a reflection of your lifestyle. Even the best skincare routine won't help if your habits are unhealthy. Here's what affects your skin. Diet. Eating too much sugary, oily, and processed food can worsen acne. Try to include fruits, vegetables, nuts, plenty of water. Sleep. When you sleep, your skin repairs itself. Teens need at least 7 to 8 hours every night. Stress. Stress triggers acne. Try simple stress-reducing activities like journaling, walking, listening to calming music, talking to someone you trust. Hydration. Drink enough water daily. Dehydration makes your skin look dull. Now let's create a simple routine you can start today. Morning routine. Gentle cleanser. Moisturizer. Sunscreen. Optional niacinamide serum for oily skin. Night routine. Cleanser, moisturizer, optional salicylic acid for acne, optional pimple patches for active pimples. That's it. No need for 10 steps. If you're not sure what your skin type is, here's an easy test. Wash your face, wait 30 minutes without putting anything on, check your skin. Shiny everywhere? Oily. Shiny in T-zone, dry on cheeks? Combination. Feels tight, flaky? Dry. Comfortable and soft? Normal. Red, itchy, easily irritated? Sensitive. Knowing your skin type helps you choose products that work for you. Your skin doesn't need to look like a magazine cover. You're a teenager. Breakouts happen, texture happens, oiliness happens. It's all normal. Your goal shouldn't be perfect skin. Your goal should be healthy skin. And healthy skin means clean, hydrated, protected, balanced. Give your skin time to adjust and improve. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video helped you understand your skin better and gave you a clear idea of how to start your skincare journey. If you want more videos like teen routines, beginner product recommendations, or budget-friendly skincare guides, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs it. Take care of your skin, stay confident, and I'll see you in the next video.